In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add bank account on Paxful. So to add bank account on Paxful wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Paxful account by entering your credential. When you're logged in, you need to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. And as soon as you click on it, go to settings. Next, you'll be able to see account settings, and here you should be able to see this sort of interface. So once again, go ahead and press the profile icon from a left hand side corner. As you click on, from this page you have to go to the payment method from the left hand side bar. As you press on it, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So right on this page, go ahead and enter in all of the information that has been asked, and moving on, you need to go ahead and complete the procedure, that is add the information, and you need to go ahead and add the bank account details as well, and you'll be able to notify that you've successfully added bank account to your Paxful wallet. So in this simple way, you can go ahead and add bank account to your Paxful wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.